As I said, again, this is a technical matter. Not be able to give you exact reply on this. I think either the chairman of the high-powered committee or the PWD minister will be able to give you more specific details on this, because, as I said, these are highly technical points you're mentioning. But I think there were two aspects to it. Number one, that the manner in which the selection for, or the criteria that was set for the qualification, was that you have to do similar works in terms of government buildings like circuit house, court buildings, assembly buildings. So that was mentioned. So I guess the concerned party at the time did not have, or had not constructed government buildings of that nature. The second point is that when the what is the agency called who got the work? No, what's it? What? UPRL. So when UPRLL got the work, the terms and conditions there mention clearly that they can give certain part, I don't remember which part and which percentage was there, to subcontract to agencies. So that's it. But I don't have the full details with me, but that's somewhere like as far as I remember, the discussions we had that day. No, you see, the first part is that the appointment of the design associates was done by the previous government. So that's something that I don't want to comment on. That was done much before we came in. And that's there. So there was some mention about design associates having some kind of a allegation from CBI and some inquiry going on. So that factor, I think you'll have to ask the opposition leader on what those details were and why the appointment was done even that time when they appointed the design associates. So that's number one. Because they mentioned that there's allegation against design associates. Why did this government, the MDA government, appoint them? So I want to clarify that it was not the MDA government that appointed the design associates. Design associates was appointed by the previous government. Second, which I think is a general statement which I've been making all this time, that there are allegations and there are inquiries that could be happening. But we're very clear, till conviction doesn't take place, you cannot say, or you cannot point, or you cannot be, you cannot deny anybody based on an allegation to participate or to work. So therefore, as I said, inquiries will happen, but until unless a conviction takes place, I think it's unfair to simply judge somebody on the basis of an allegation or an inquiry that's taking place.